Hello students. Today we are going to do chapter number 5 of class 7th maths, that is lines and angles, aim and objective. After doing this chapter, you will be able to identify parallel lines, perpendicular lines and transversal lines. You will also be able to identify transversals, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, consecutive interior angles, and you will be able to develop relationship between angles formed by transversal and parallel lines. Transversal line. Let's understand what a transversal line is. As you can see here, in this first figure, there are two parallel lines, this and this. And this green colored line is cutting these two parallel lines. And here you can see the lines with purple color are two non-parallel lines, and the line with orange color is cutting these two non-parallel lines. So transversal is a line that intersect two or more lines at different points. These two or more lines can be parallel and can be non-parallel also. Now here you can see in this given figure AB is parallel to CD and EF is intersecting AB and CD. So EF is the transversal of AB and CD. So now let's understand the pair of angles formed by a transversal. When a transversal cuts two lines, following pair of angles are formed: corresponding angles, alternate angles, and interior angles. Corresponding angles. Now you can see here that AB and DE are two parallel lines and GF is a transverse. You can see here angle GPA and angle FQD. These two angles, which are with green color, they are forming a shape of F, opposite F. You can see here, look, this straight and this. Similarly, the angles shown with pink color are also forming a shape of F. Here, this angle with blue color are also forming the shape of F, and here the angles which are with orange color are also in the shape of F. So these four pairs of angles which are shown here in the figure are corresponding angles, and I will tell you that corresponding angles of parallel lines are equal. If line M and line N are parallel, then this angle will be equal to this pink angle will be equal to pink, blue angle will be equal to blue, and orange angle will be equal to orange. So four pair of corresponding angles so formed when a line transversal cut two parallel lines, then these pair of corresponding angles are equal for parallel lines. Now, before understanding the next angle, let me make you clear about interior and exterior. Suppose these are two parallel lines. This yellow color shaded portion which lies between these two black color lines is called the interior, and the portion with blue color is called exterior. So now we will study about the angles where we will be using this exterior and interior. Let's move on. Alternate angles. Alternate, as the name suggests, they are formed on opposite side of transversal at different intersecting point. Like I'll start from here, this, and this. What shape they are making? They are making Z. Z. Look here, Z. So here also you can see angle BPQ and PQD. These angles with pink color, and angle this APQ and PQE of blue color. They are alternate angles. These angles are called alternate interior angles. Now, if I'll take this angle, angle GPA, this one, and I will take angle EQF, they are also alternate, but they are exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Similarly, angle GPB and angle DQF. These two angles are also called exterior, alternate exterior angles. Like corresponding angles, these alternate angles are also equal for parallel lines. I repeat, if two lines are parallel, their alternate angles will be equal. Now, next type of angles are interior angles on same side of transversal, that is consecutive interior or co-interior angles. You can see we have studied these angles are alternate angles, alternate interior, but now we are studying co-interior, means the angles which are on same side of transversal. This line L is a transversal. So this angle with pink color and this with green color falls on same side of transversal, on the right side of transversal. I'll name the angle BPQ and angle PQE. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, and these two angles together form pair of co-interior angles. Similarly, these two angles also form pair of co-interior angles, and co-interior angles add up to 180, means their sum is 180. As you can see here in figure, this is 60 degree, this is 120, so their sum will be 180 degree. Let's move on. Let's conclude by saying that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent, alternate exterior angles are congruent, interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary, and exterior angles on same side of transversal are also supplementary. So here is a practice worksheet for you. Do these questions. I hope you have understood well by watching this video. So thank you.